Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suryavi. I am currently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering of branch Electronics and Communication. Today's subject is Introduction to Python Programming. In this module, we are going to study about Python Password Locker. In this module, we are going to discuss about Introduction to Python Password, key features, setting up a Python password locker, storing passwords securely, password locker algorithm, password locker program. Introduction to Python Password Locker. Python Password Locker means which helps and protects the password from the threats. Python Password Locker is a secure way to store and manage passwords. It utilizes encryption to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. This is a tool particularly useful for individuals and business looking to enhance their security. Why we use a password locker? Password lockers help users manage multiple passwords efficiently. A password manager, also known as a password valet, can help your passwords safe and secure in several ways. So please don't use these kind of passwords like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are randomly picked numbers. Hackers may easily hack your passwords. So please use these strong passwords like example alphabets, numericals, strings, commas, hash, star to protect from hackers and safeguard your data. Let us discuss about key features of password locker. Most password lockers offer strong encryption methods of safeguard data. They typically include a password generator to create a strong unique passwords. Some also provide features like autofill for web forms and password sharing. Being by installation, necessary libraries such as cryptography for eruption create a basic interface using libraries like Thinker or Flask for web application. Here, eruption and decryption or the process helps to keep data safe and secure from scamming. Here, eruption is nothing but the process of converting readable data into unreadable form called clipper text. The sender and the eruption algorithm and the digital key are the scramble the data. Next, the decryption. The process of converting clipper data back into the original data or readable form is called as decryption. The receipt uses the same key was used to encrypt the data and decrypt it. Implement a secure method, storing and retrieving passwords, ensuring encryption at rest. Authentication. User authentication is a crucial to ensure only authorized individuals access the locker. Implement a strong password policies and consider two-factor authentication for added security. Store authentication data surely using hashing techniques. Here, hashing is nothing but it is one type of technique that uses a mathematical function to convert a given data into an fixed length of output or hash value to protect user password. Here we have multi-factor authentication. We can open by password or by fingerprint or by voice recognition. Storing passwords surely. Storing password. It is a method to protect a user information and enhance the security. Utilize asymmetric encryption algorithms such as AES to encrypt the password data. Here in the diagram, symmetric encryption, the same key as per the secret key as eruption to open a plain text. As per I said that eruption is nothing but the process of converting readable data into non-readable form in the cheaper text. Store the eruption keys surely separate from stored passwords. Consider using database or a file system which access controls for storing erupted data. Retrieving passwords. Retrieving passwords is nothing but to getting back our username and password. If we pass a blank string as a username to get credential method with just a service name, then it will return both username and the password. Or implement a secure method to decrypt passwords for user access. Encryption. Different keys are used to encrypt and decrypt the message. Encrypt and decrypt. Sender repeatant. Ensure that the decryption is a process of efficient to provide a seamless user experience. Always log access attempts a monitor to an unauthorized activities. Best practices of security. Now we shall learn about how to protect our password from threats. Encourage the users to enable two-factor authentication wherever it possible. Regularly update encryption algorithms and libraries to mitigate vulnerabilities. Here, mitigate vulnerabilities is nothing but it is one type of process the reducing the risks from impact of vulnerabilities by implementing measures and controls. Now we shall discuss about flowchart. User enters first factor. First factor verified as application requested for second factor. User enters second factor if S, the authentication is successful or no authentication fails. Educate users about recognition, phishing attempts and other security threats. Additional features and enhancements. Consider adding a password strength indicators to help user choose secure passwords. Implement categories or tags for easier password management and retrieval. Retrieval is nothing but getting back anything from somewhere. Explore integration with browsers for autofill capabilities and simplified accesses. Password locker program. It involves in 6 steps. Shebang line indicates the path of the Python interpreter to use. User slash bin slash event python 3. It is in the form of relative path. Import statements. Import necessary modules. System SYS for system related functionality. Paperclip for clipboard access. Stored passwords. Instalize a dictionary named passwords with account names as key and corresponding passwords as values. Fourth step, command line argument check. Check if the number of command line arguments is less than 2. If true, print a usage message and exit the script. Get account name. Assign the first command line argument account name to the variable account. Password retrieval and clipboard copy. Check if the specified account name or account exists in the passwords dictionary. If true, copy the corresponding password to the clipboard using paperclip copy dot print if a message indicates that the password has been copied in the clipboard. If false, print a message indicates that there is no account with specified name. Password locker program algorithm. Read command line arguments. If the number of arguments is less than 2, print usage message or exit the script. Assign the first command line argument to the variable account. If account exists in the passwords dictionary, copy the corresponding password to the clipboard. Print a success message. If account does not exist in the password dictionary, print a message indicating no account with the specified name. Password locker program. Import SYS. SYS is nothing but system. Import system. Import paperclip. Passwords. Here we use a variable data type. Password is equals to email. Here we use a dictionary data type. Email. Email is nothing. Email represents the password of the email account. Next blog. Blog represents the password of the blog account. And luggage. Luggage represents the another key in the passwords. If len sys.argue is lesser than 2, print usage python pw.py account. Copy account password. Sys.exit. Account sys.argue1. The first command of the line argument is in the account name. If account in passwords, paperclip.copy passwords account. Print if password for the account copied to the clipboard. Else, print if there is a no account name. Thank you for watching.